Mounting your bench to the Great Northern Docks Feather-LITE frame is very easy. This is a bench that won't blow away, and it doesn't take up much deck space. Line the pipe bracket up with these nuts, insert the truss head bolts, and give them a spin. Make sure the distance is correct for your bench, and then pound this pipe into the ground using a sledgehammer and driving cap. These double sockets will go over the pipes on the dock, including the one you just installed, and attach to the bench legs. Make sure your bench is secure by tightening all set screws. This will include the set screws on the dock legs, the set screws on the double sockets, and the set screws on the bench itself. If you chose to have the optional armrests on your bench, prepare to be very comfortable. Use these spacers that look like pipes over the bolts that hold the bench arms to the bench. Once you've tightened the bolts on the bench arms, go ahead and take a seat and relax.